Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. This is your art class. This class is for class 5. Today, children, we are going to learn how to draw a parrot. You must have seen, all of you, the parrot is of green color. So, today we will learn how to draw a parrot in a very easy way. So, first you observe how I am making, and then you take a sheet, pencil, an eraser, and then start drawing it. See. Then you have to make a circle. This is the tail. This is the tail part. Now we can make some feathers also. And same here. Okay, children. Now we will make a beak. And here we will make eyes. Now with the help of brown color, I will be making legs. See, now we have to make a branch also where the parrot is sitting. Okay, children. So our parrot is ready. In the next class, I will be teaching you how to color it.